In polygamy, there is competition there because you want to impress a man, you want to be a favorite wife. So that's why you saw those men who have got polygamy, they don't work hard. Those wives are the one who work hard for a man. Even long time ago, you know that women, they go to the fields and a farm, to have a farm, to go to work hard for their kids, and that man doesn't work hard. Guys, sometimes men, I don't understand why they are doing it for us. You gave birth to those kids, and guys, you are men now. That man, you've got 5 or 6 women. You understand? He knows that he doesn't want to work hard, so he married those wives. You know, that man knows that you can be in competition now, because a person who is married to one man doesn't have competition. That woman, she is so relaxed than a woman who is in polygamy, because you are doing it because you want to be a favorite wife. Imagine, guys, you are working hard for that man, you want to impress him, you feed him. You know that women who are in polygamy, guys, they feed that man or to give that man money because you want to be a favorite wife. So sometimes that's why you saw other women, they don't want to give themselves pressure, because most of the time, if you know that man doesn't love you like he loves other wives, there is competition in polygamy. You can work hard for that man. So sometimes a man who is married to one wife works hard than a man who is in polygamy. A man who is polygamy, most of them, they are lazy. They don't want to work, those people. And people who are working are his wives. Those people are those people who are working for their kids. Even long time ago, people are not, they don't have money, but they can go to farm and have got a farm. And a polygamist, he can give his wives a piece of land. Maybe he can cut that. This is your land with your kids. You can farm there. This is your land with your kids. Every woman they have got their land with their kids. So every morning they can wake up, go to farm, and guys, the farm. That man is staying. You understand? He doesn't work. Those women, they are working for their kids. The only thing he do is to give them kids. You understand? Is to give them kids and to give them land to farm only. They can farm for their kids. And after that, every woman, they have got duties. Today is another woman who cook for him and give him food without working hard. Guys, a man who is married to a one wife works hard for his family than a man who have got polygamy. A man who have got polygamy doesn't work. Those wives are the one who works hard for themselves, and they work hard for him because they have got a competition. They want to impress him. Now, you know that women who are married in polygamy, they have got more pressure than a woman who is not in polygamy.